The first light of dawn arrives softly in Switzerland. It touches the highest peaks first. A gentle pink hue paints the snow. The air is still. The world below sleeps soundly. This is a quiet beginning. A promise of peace unfolds with the light. The Alpine village rests, nestled in the valley. Slowly, the light creeps downwards. It kisses the dark slopes of the mountains, then it spills into the sleeping village. No sudden rush, just a gradual awakening. The shadows begin to shorten. Colors emerge from the grey. Deep greens of the pastures, dark wood of the chalets. The village begins to breathe. Wooden houses stand sturdy and silent. Smoke, thin and pale, begins to rise from a few chimneys. Peace settles deep within, a gift from the mountains. The silence here is remarkable. It is not an empty silence. It is full of the presence of nature. It wraps around you like a soft blanket. This silence has a quality all its own. It allows you to hear the world in a new way. The tiny sounds become clear, the important sounds. Listen closely. You might hear a distant cowbell, a gentle melodic chime. It speaks of tradition, of a slow pace of life, perhaps the faintest rustle of leaves in a nearby tree, a bird stirring in its nest. These are the sounds woven into the fabric of the morning silence. They do not break it, they deepen it. The air itself contributes to this feeling. It is crisp and cool on the skin, clean and pure. Each breath feels refreshing, it clears the head. The hills surrounding the village are veiled in mist. It clings to the slopes like a soft white shawl. The mist moves slowly, it swirls and shifts with the unseen currents of air. It adds an element of mystery to the landscape. Peaks appear and disappear. Trees fade into whiteness, then re-emerge. It is a gentle dance of concealment and revelation. The wooden cottages are a sight to behold. They speak of history, of resilience. Their timbers are often dark, weathered by sun and snow. Many seasons have passed over these homes. Each one has a character. Balconies are adorned with bright flowers in window boxes. Geraniums of red and pink cascade downwards. Shutters are painted in cheerful colours. These are not just houses, they are homes. They feel lived in, cherished. You can imagine families gathered inside, warm fires burning in hearths during winter. Leaving the village, a path leads upwards. It beckons towards the deep green of the forest. This is a pine forest. Tall trees stand like ancient sentinels. Their branches reach towards the sky. The air changes as you step under their canopy. It becomes cooler, more shaded. The scent of pine needles is strong and clean. It is a refreshing aroma. Sunlight filters softly through the dense needles. It creates a dappled pattern on the forest floor. Patches of light dance with every gentle breeze. The ground is soft underfoot, a carpet of fallen needles and moss. Walking here is quiet. Your footsteps make little sound. It feels like entering a natural cathedral, a place of reverence. The silence here is different from the village morning. It is the silence of the deep woods, a living silence. You can hear the gentle whisper of the wind. It sighs through the high branches of the pines. It is a soothing sound. The path through the pine forest continues to climb. It winds gently upwards. Sunlight finds its way through the canopy in shifting patterns. One moment the path is shaded and cool. The next, it is bathed in a warm golden glow. This interplay of light and shadow is captivating. It makes the forest feel alive, dynamic, ever-changing. The sounds of the forest are subtle yet clear. The chirping of birds is a dominant melody. Different calls echo through the trees. Some are close, some distant. Each bird has its own song. A busy woodpecker might be heard tapping rhythmically on a tree trunk. An insect hums past. These are the natural orchestrations of the woods, pure and unforced. These sounds are soothing. They do not intrude on the peace, they enhance it. They are a reminder of the vibrant life hidden within the forest. Emerging from the pine forest, the landscape opens up. You step into a wide, sunlit meadow. The change is immediate. The air feels warmer. The sky seems vast and blue above. Wildflowers grow in abundance here. A colourful carpet spreads across the green grass. Blues, yellows, whites and purples, they dance in the gentle breeze. A delight for the eyes. In this open space, a different kind of solitude can be found. It is a solitude of expanse. You can see for miles. In the distance, the snow-capped peaks stand majestic. They form a stunning backdrop to the green meadow. Their white crowns gleam in the sunlight. They remind you of the grandeur of the Alps, of nature's raw power and beauty. There is a profound stillness in the meadow. The sounds are different here too. The buzzing of bees busy amongst the flowers, the distant call of a bird of prey circling high above. These sounds are part of the meadow's own quiet life. The journey continues along a mountain trail. The path might be narrow, winding along the contours of the slope. With each step, the views become more expansive. The air grows thinner, crisper. There is a sense of adventure, a gentle challenge, but the rewards are immense. The vistas open up before you, a panorama of natural beauty. Looking down, you can see the valley far below. The village appears tiny from this height, a cluster of toy houses. The fields and forests spread out like a patchwork quilt. Rivers wind like silver ribbons through the landscape. It is a humbling perspective. It makes you feel small, yet part of something vast and magnificent. The scale of the Alps is truly breathtaking. There is a unique peace found on these high trails. It comes from the effort of the climb, from the clean air, from the incredible silence. Up here, the world's noise cannot reach, only the sound of your own breath. Deep within the mountains, or perhaps nestled in a high meadow, you might find an alpine lake. These lakes are jewels of the Alps. Their waters are often crystal clear, so clear you can see the stones on the bottom. The colors can be astonishing. Deep blues, vibrant turquoises, or emerald greens. Depending on the light and the minerals in the water, the surface of an alpine lake is often perfectly still, especially in the calm of morning or late afternoon. It acts like a mirror, reflecting the surrounding scenery with incredible precision. The towering peaks, the dark green pine forest, the vast blue sky with its fluffy white clouds. The reflection is so perfect it can be hard to tell where reality ends and the image begins. There is an immense calm around these lakes. The silence is profound, broken only by the gentlest sounds, the lapping of tiny waves against the shore if there is a breeze. As the day draws to a close, the golden hour arrives. The sun begins its slow descent towards the horizon. It bathes the mountainsides in a warm golden light. This light is soft and magical. It transforms the landscape. Shadows lengthen, colors become richer, deeper. The greens of the meadows glow, the grey rock of the peaks turns to orange and rose. The air cools, a gentle stillness settles over everything. This is a time of profound beauty. The Alpine villages, now far below or nestled nearby, take on a serene glow. Smoke from chimneys rises straight into the cooling air. The sounds of the day fade away, replaced by the hush of evening. It is a peaceful transition from day to night, a quiet farewell. Watching the sun set over the Swiss Alps is an unforgettable experience. The sky puts on a spectacular display of colour. Oranges, pinks, purples and reds. These colours reflect on any remaining patches of snow. They paint the clouds.